Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Vance with Evans Family Adventures. Hey, look where we're at today. At this drainage ditch. We've got the 3,600 pound magnet, 360 degree. We're gonna toss this in the water and see what we can catch. I heard it's pretty sketchy around here, so there's no telling what we might catch. Might not catch anything, I don't know, but I'm gonna bring you along to find out. There's something dead in the water over there. I don't know if you can see it, but man, it stinks. Jeez, might not have picked a good spot, folks. But hey, if you're not subscribed, go down there and hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. And we haven't been magnet fishing in a while, so let's get this started. I don't know what that is. Getting bubbles. Pretty long, whatever it is. Might be a metal pipe or something. I'm gonna mess with it too much because I don't want to get my magnet stuck. Oh man, like that. Woo! Man, I'm sticking something all in that. Little shell. I figured it'd be a good time to come out here and do some magnet fishing. Maybe have some stuff washed up from down the river. I got something on there, guys. It's like a big rod or something. It's like a fence stake. Yep, that's what it is. Oh, cool. I can reuse that, guys. Got a little sharp little point on it. Little hook there. Yeah, buddy. I got, looks like little coat hangers. I'm gonna go get my bucket, guys. Boy, that thing stinks over there. I don't know if that's a deer or what. But I know it's stinky. It's stinky. If you stuck something right there. I just don't think I can get it out of the mud. You can feel your magnet clink to it. See right there, I'm feeling something, but no telling what that is. Got some sticks and stuff. What else I got? Nothing too fancy. Got the mystery piece. I don't know what that is. Oh, got some pew pew shells. Been there a long time. Nothing else but trash. Throw this thing back in here. Nothing on that one. I got something on it. Probably another shell, looks like. Yep. Another shell. Of course, you know, they've already been shot. There's, I guess people come down here and shoot guard or what have you. What is it? What is it? I'm excited. What is it? Feels heavy, slipping. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. What in the world is that? Is that one of those chairs? Yeah, I think it's one of those chairs. Cool. Been there a while. Oh, got something else too. A nail. And a battery. Place ain't too shabby, guys. At least we're finding something. Hell. I got a load on that one, guys. Holy cow, look at that now. That's huge. Little spring. Looks like some kind of couch or something. Some nails. Nothing too fancy. A little bit of scrap money there. Got a little something on here. Is that a cell phone? Oh, just a little piece of scrap metal. Looked kind of like a cell phone there for a minute. Another bullet. Got something on there. Pretty heavy. Oh, it's a thing to a boat motor transom. And you put that on your boat and trailer and hold the motor up right there. Fixing to peel out this jacket. Let's switch sides. I almost made that button stuck. Holy cow. Don't let your magnet stuck. Tell you what, there's some stuff stuck in the mud. I've got whole water over there now. I don't know what that is. It's got a little sharp point on it. nail, shell, it's a little nothing. It kind of works. It's iron. We'll just run along the edge here. There's a bunch of stuff stuck in the mud. It's been here forever. Pull out. I really need a claw. I've got some stuff on there though. Bunch of shells. I have no idea what kind of shells those are. Probably AR or something. Look through it. Alright, one more throw. There's no telling what you might find. I found a stolen Jeep last year. If you haven't seen that video, it's down in my playlist. Guys, I've never found a spoon before. All the magnet fishing videos I watch, they find spoons. Well, there's my first spoon. Shells, nails. There's a bolt, magnetic leaf. Not really. A bunch full of shavings. Just noticed my lens was dirty, sorry. But guys, that's about to wrap it up. We didn't come out empty-handed, didn't find anything amazing. But hey, that's part of magnet fishing. It's just like going fishing, regular fishing. Sometimes you catch them, sometimes you don't, but we had fun. Hope y'all had a good time watching the video. So if you don't mind, go down there and hit that subscribe button for me. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers this year. There will be a big giveaway when I reach that, but you have to be subscribed, and more details coming on that. So hope y'all have a good day, and we'll see you on the next adventure.